Floor.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of crows.
I think.
Actually, they're ducks.
No.
They're ducks.
Blackbirds.
Yeah.
I think there might be different, or unless the
Whoa, there they go.
Whoa!
You guys ever seen that Hitchcock movie, Burbs?
No.
Haven't seen it?
Birds?
Birds. It's a movie called Birds. You have?
Yes, I have.
Oh, that's what I asked.
Oh, I thought you meant
Whoa!
even beaks.
Okay, I think that's enough pictures.
Yeah. What's going on? Just 10 more.
I don't know. I don't speak bird.
What? Are
Something
they
when I'm
bunnies or ducks? But I'm a big bird.
They're
Oh,
birds.
look at that baby. Oh, I thought it was a baby bird at first. Is it fluffier than the rest? No.
Some of them are.
Some of them might be.
Yeah, kind of some of them. Whoa. I think something scared them away. Jeez.
That one might be. See that
They're gone now.
little skinny one right there?
The skinny one? Which one is it?
The little tiny one in the middle
That
is kind of
one's
brownish.
fluffy. Oh,
That's
I see it.
What did he get?
Look at the baby birdie. Look at the fluffle
They're in the
one.
tree over there
It's
too.
called the fluffle one because it's a young bird, but it's fluffy. Fluffy.
A fluffling? You call it a fluffling?
A fluzzle one, actually.
A fuzzle one?
A fluzzle one.
Hmm.
Hopefully they go again. Oh wait. Whoa! Whoa! A fluzzle one.
They're digging that dirt.
The birds are
Oh, there goes the squirrel. He's in the. Look, look at the squirrel guy. Oh, I hear you. He's in the ivy. He got something. What did he get?
Trisket.
He got a Trisket.
At least they're going
Trisket, a
to
biscuit.
good. At least they're going to good use now.
A
Feeding the
biscuit.
wildlife. He got something.
What did he get?
Some big old bug.
He's hopping away. Probably going.
They're right next to
Go! My goodness.
Not on
Oh, where'd they go?
Let's check the front.
the front.